Unlocking Memories, a journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, to unlock a memory. This expression is not only poetic but deeply embedded in how we talk about recollection and experiences. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a powerful part of the English language. To unlock a memory is a metaphorical phrase that means to suddenly remember something that had been forgotten for a long time. Imagine your mind is like a treasure chest, and memories are the treasures locked inside. Sometimes, a specific key, like a smell, sound, or image, can open this chest and bring long-lost memories to the surface. This phrase emphasizes the suddenness and unexpectedness of the recall, suggesting that the memory was not easily accessible before but has now been brought to light, almost like discovering a hidden gem. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation and writing. Walking into my grandmother's house, the scent of her cooking unlocked a memory of summers spent in her kitchen, learning to bake. Hearing that old song on the radio unlocked a memory of my first high school dance. Looking through the photo album, we unlocked memories of our childhood adventures we hadn't thought about in years. These examples show how sensory experiences or emotional triggers can act as keys to unlocking memories we didn't even realize we had stored away. Discussing to unlock a memory gives us insight into the power of language in shaping our understanding of human experiences. This phrase captures the beauty and mystery of how our brains store and retrieve memories. It's a testament to the emotional depth and complexity of our recollections, reminding us that our past experiences are always a part of us, waiting to be rediscovered. Thank you for joining me in exploring the meaning and use of to unlock a memory. This phrase is a beautiful example of how language can encapsulate complex human experiences in just a few words. I hope this video has unlocked new insights into English for you and perhaps even unlocked memories of your own. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in our next video.